Kublai shibuni phi barok ke parlok ke biju page ikne ka channel na kapor shakapor. Agane ka video ngidan banwan ra phi yakine ki kam sarkar ki balaj hapo jong ka DSC East Khasi Hill District Shillong. Ki kerdan pule ki bedon kam kin sedang nadu ka kelas dan pas syajrong. Tekino kino ki bukwa ban apply na ka benta kini ki kam sarkar ki balaj hapo jong ka DSC East Khasi Hill District Shillong nga kerpat ipi page yakne ka video na do basdang do bandukut kenang bapintiam ki post ki balai ki kerdan pule ki bedan kam bat kam tamah kebai dei bat kumno karukwam ban apply teki badang thamai kini ke channel sungbha benda subscribe kenang bapinio ki jing pentip ki be dei bat ki kam ki balai hapo ki district baper ki bedan hapo jongka Meghalaya. Tekene ke dekelat bat kakabu na gebentaki candidate ki bedai na po jong ki East Khasi Hill District Shillong. Ban pendap ya kini ki post ki balai hapo jong ka DSC East Khasi Hill District. Bat ki balak ban apply ya kene ka post ki dei tang gitu ki candidate ki bedai hapo jong kene ka district ki la ban apply ki we ki district phinom la ban apply ya kini ki kam sarkar. Deto mentangin penyo ya kene ka advertisement kum bakalong. Ka DSC East Khasi Hill District Shillong ka khot online application na kabenta ki citizens of India ki bala ban apply kilong ki badai ki permanent resident of East Khasi Hill District Meghalaya only. Ki bala ban apply kum banglaong ki dai ban long ki candidate ki bahap hapo jong kane ke district East Khasi Hill District. Ki candidate ki dai ban pule shwa ya ki instruction carefully hashwa bapian apply ya kini ki post lada pidani kini ki kerdan pule pila ban apply ban lada pimdani kini ki kerdan pule pinumla ban apply ya kini ki post tang bakine ki post ki balaj hang ne ki dai bai tang kelas 10 pass ki babon ki la pendam ya ka kelas 10 tekene ki dai galat bat ka kabon ke benta ke jongpi namar hang ne ki klam champan ya ki experience and ray ki freshers ru pila ban apply ya kini ki post. Teki interested candidate pila ban visit apo jong kene ke website jong kene ke district eastkhasihills.gov.in. Na kabenta bapen apply ya kini ki post. Lane pila aru ban shuk page na po ke description jong kene ke video in sebu ya kene ke advertisement lane ke link ke bapen apply. Katarik ke bapila ban apply kan long nadu ka shitrek April arajar ar pendrew hadu ka shitrek benai me arajar ar pendrew. Naga bentaki candidate ki bale ya ka payment lingba chalan kelas date ban le ya ka payment kan long akan drew trek benai me arajar ar pendrew. Adin jong kane katarik ka link kan salong disable lane kanam long shu lane kanam pediang shu ya kita kiba somen adin jong kelas din. Temantangin page no ya kini ki post ke balait ke hidden ke kabanang kom kerteng jong ka post kedai assistant enforcement inspector hapo jong ka office jong deputy commissioner East Khasi Hill District ki number of post ki don ar bat kedai na kabenta ki Khasi Jantia bat garo ka salary kedai ha ka level 5 bat ki kerdan pule bedon kam kedai ban pendam ya ka class 12 pass or any examination declared equivalent thereto from any university or board or recognized by the government of Meghalaya having completed the DTP course computer. Kapus kabar kedai enforcement checker hapo jong ka office jong deputy commissioner East Khasi Hill District number of post kidan southly UR kawai Khasi Jantia garo lai salary kedai ke level 4 kerdan pule bedan kam kedai ban pendap ya ka SSLC pass lane kelas dan pas kabli thu da ka university lane ka board kabli thu lengba ka government of Meghalaya bat pide ruban pendap ya ka DTP course hakabai dei bat ka computer ka post kabalai kedai mandal apo jong ka office jong deputy commissioner East Khasi Hill District number of post kidan lai kane ka post kedai na kabentai ki Khasi Jantia bat garo Kape level kedai haka level 3 kedan pule kan long baik kumju hi kelas 10 pass bat day bendan ya kedai TP course jongka komputer. Kabasau kedai record keeper apok jongka office jong Deputy Commissioner East Kasiel District. Number of post kedan tangkawai kedai naga bentaki UR ka salary kedai ke level 3 kedan pule kedai tang kelas 10 pass. Te barok kini ki kerdan pule ki klampan ya ka experience lane barok kini ki post ki klampan ya ka experience te ki freshers kamtam phila ban apply ya kini ka post kabasan kedai copiers hapok ka office jong UTC Commissioner East Kasiel District. Number of post ki dan saw ka way na bentai QR line na bentai khaci jintiabat garo salary kedai ka level 2 kerdan pule kedai tang kelas 10 pass claim dadon keno ka experience. Kaban riu kedai manual assistant. Kidan ar bentang ni manual assistant. Apok ke office jongu inspector of legal metrology. Kidan ar lagi posang ni ban kawai ke pos apok ke office jong assistant controller of legal metrology. Light lagi pos. You are kawai kasi jentiabat garo art lagi pos salary kedai haka level 2. Kerdan pule kedai tang kelas 10 pass. Teka age limit kalong kumne. Kat pra adu laipu arsnem kat kum ka shitrik Januari hajar pendrew. Bat na kabentaki SC ST candidate sansnem kendeka relaxation ka bemot ba na kabenta jongki kan long kat pra adu laipu snem. Deha kabai day bat katarik jong ka date of birth kadai bet ban long kaju bat ka school certificate nani ka birth certificate bat kumta terter. Conduct of examination. In pursuant to government circular kene gede ke number dated Shillong the 26 March 2026. The qualifying paper on knowledge of local language Khasi language in case of East Kasiel District will be conducted in the first place, which will have to be cleared by the candidates. So, ki candidate ki ba apply kin hab ruban clear ya kene ka local language lenika Khasi language haga jaka jong kene ka East Kasiel District kin haban le haga katin Khasi language haga by day but kene ka knowledge of local language. Failure to clear the qualifying paper will be render a candidate ineligible to appear for subsequent stages of the recruitment. Kabumot ba pihap hi banle ya kanika local knowledge of local language nakbay day but kanika qualifying paper. Kino ki bomle ya kane kum kita ki candidate kincha cancel hakiniki stages jong kanika recruitment. Batang itu ki candidate ki bisa qualified haka local language paper kin syak kuat syaka written exam to hang ne ki la ong shai ba nungkong pihak le shwaya ke local language paper lane ke qualifying paper tehdin katakan sapoi saka written examination. It is to be noted that the mark obtained in the local language paper shall not carry over to subsequent stages of recruitment as per paper in qualifying nature only. Teman-tangin page ya kebai day bat kene ke payment kan long shis pa tengka bat sanpau tengka na ke bentaki SC bat ST candidates karkom siu kalong debit com ATM cards net banking of all major bank e-challan payment via debit com ATM cards net banking. Tekum mengelaong karukom men apply kedai online dia ke link kebapin apply ngin sebu po jong ke description te karukom hiban apply pila tip hi kebai dei bat kene ke DSC pila dapi dan kino ki jing pila ben comment apo comment section jong kene ke video dia kene ke video ngidan banwan ra IP tangki ne ki jing pentem ku blai shibon.